At the vibrant and controversial Reed Dance Festival of the Zulu people of South Africa, thousands of young women gather to demonstrate tradition and cultural identity. Bare-chested and clad in colorful dresses, they dance outside the royal palace with reeds in hand, participating in a centuries-old ritual deeply rooted in their traditions. In Zulu culture, reeds symbolize purity, and legend has it that if a participant is not a virgin, her reed will break with the wind. During the festival, the young women's passionate dances are all-encompassing. They perform with great vigor, knowing that being chosen by the king could dramatically change their destiny. For them, the Reed Dance Festival is not just a cultural celebration, but a potentially destiny-changing day.